Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by securing the workspace and powering off the display. Safety first. Once powered down, unplug all cables and remove any battery to avoid shorts. Use an ESD strap and layout tools, small screwdriver, spudger, magnifier, microfiber cloth. Take photos of cabinet screws and connector positions so you can reverse each step. Now open the bezel carefully, pry at designated clips and work slowly to avoid breaking tabs. Make sure to keep screws organized, and note any foam or adhesive strips for later reassembly. You now focus on the internal signal path where most display lines originate. Once the bezel is off, locate the LVDS or EDP ribbon and detach it carefully. Inspect for bent pins or debris. Clean connector contacts with 90% plus isopropyl and let them air dry, then reseat firmly. Examine the T-con board and flex cables for cracked solder joints or delamination. If you see lifted traces, make a precise repair or plan a replacement. Make sure to test after each change to isolate the faulty component. You finish by reassembling the display in the reverse order you documented. Align the bezel, press clips gently, and reinstall screws to snug, not over-tightened. Power up and run a test pattern to confirm lines are gone. If lines persist only in certain colors or zones, that points to T-con or panel damage. Once done, make sure to test for heat-related recurrence. Troubleshooting tip: if lines return intermittently, swap the T-con temporarily to confirm before buying a new panel.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.